Oh no! It sounded like we're in a boat.
People.
How much?
You go home?
See ya! Doon nakabuilding na ng lights na tagas kayo. Cinematic ini ba? Okay, pinahinay pa siya.
Good morning customers, this service will shortly arrive and terminate into Melbourne Southern Cross. As this is our final stop, please make sure you take the time to look around and take all personal possessions when leaving the train. For those travelling onwards, you can find metro trains on platforms 9 through 14, V-line services 1 through 8 and 15 and 16. Taxis and trams can be found on Burke, Collins or Spencer Street. If you have luggage in the front van, please come and collect it at the van upon arrival. This morning we're expecting to arrive on platform 4. If this changes, I'll let you know. Melbourne Southern Cross will be the next and final stop. On behalf of V-Line, I'd like to thank you for travelling with us this morning and hope...
We arrived here at our destination. We are now in Southern Cross Station. So let's go. This is the train we rode. 12:01. na ng tao, bumbahan.
Okay, wala ka inspection, di ba din? Abang ka.
Tapa lang.
Ha?
Dito talang. Hi everyone, we are here now in Melbourne and we're gonna have a tour with my cousin. So we will just see what's the time going back to Mooroopna and then we'll have a look so when we know what time we're going back.
So, bugnaw ka, yung nakarugturog mi diri. Nagduol kay ako na.
Doon just siguro kayo na. Dito na kami sa train. Pauwi na kami today. And it's so tiresome. Ayan, walang pasahero. Wala pa kasi maaga pa. Kain pa more. So, yan siya. Yan yung train na sasakyan namin. Wala pang pasahero. Naghihintay pa ng iba. So, sira daw yung locomotives. So, delay daw yung ano namin biyahe kasi nasira daw yung train. Dapat inayos nila doon pa nito. Ayan, maghintay. Ano na kami makarating sa Mooroopna 9:45. Tapos ngayon delay na, so sobrang late na. Magkarating kami ng Mooroopna 10 o'clock na. Maglakad pa kami. Patay. Ano ba yan? Umahal pa naman ng pamasahe nito. $48 to Macadford. Sana nag-drive na lang. Ayan, naririnig ko na yung ano. Pinifix nila yung machine. Wala kasing pasahero kaya sinabing sira para ibalik tayo doon sa ayan na yung ano natin, no? Convoy. Lipat yata tayo. Ano kayang nasira? Sira daw yung ano. May nasira daw. Kaya supposed to be 7 o'clock ang alis. Pero anong oras na ngayon? Anong oras na? 7:15 na. Ayun yung ano. Lang dam puno. Ang puno ng ano isa. Kasi yung mga politician dapat palitan na tong mga ano. Palitan tong mga train ng bago. Kasi nga tapos na yung election. Hopefully they'll fix this train and make a new ones because they promised to make new trains. Now this train's broken and there's not much passenger in it. And the fare is too expensive, but the service is not that good. So talk to who's the Prime Minister of the Australia? Sino ba? Si Scott Morrison. Yeah, Scott Morrison, can you fix our train so we can go early now? So tired. There is. Yan yung driver, tignan mo. Yan. Yun. Inayos daw yung ano, train. Hope maayos para grabe siguro yung sira.
Right, so just a bit of an update. The fitters have arrived to attend to the technical fault with the locomotive. They're in the stage of trying to fix this. Just have to wait back and hear back from the driver. So the fitters are in attendance and trying to rectify the problem. As soon as I find any more information, I will inform all passengers.
Are you serious? The fitter just arrived, I mean the mechanic just arrived, so we have to wait
Also,
there.
anyone with connecting road coaches, please be aware these coaches will wait the arrival of the train. Thank you.
I don't know. What? So the mechanic just arrived. So just arrived. After 2 minutes. Might take more than 10 minutes to fix it. Look. I can hear the noise from underneath. Let's see how long does it take to fix. Sira-sira naman tong train na to. It is very... Hindi sana ako marinig. It's a very bad train. There's no first class. What's this? All economy. No first class. What kind of train is that? No first class. Hopefully they give us a refund. Buday nag-train kay. It's fun riding a train, but not with this.
Ladies and gentlemen, just to update,
Listen.
the fitter has been in attendance and has rectified the problem. We're on our way very shortly. We do apologise for the inconvenience this has caused. Just repeating, the fitter has been in attendance and has rectified the problem. The train will be moving very shortly.
You better be not broken on the way home or else.
At this stage, we are running around 15 minutes late. But once
see.
again, anyone connecting road coaches, these coaches will wait the arrival of the train. Thank you.
15 minutes late. Yeah. So we arrived 10 o'clock instead of 9:45. So still, that's better than Philippines. It might take forever in Philippines to fix it. This is corrupt. Kinurap na ng driver yung ano. 15 minutes is not bad, but still a delay, which is no good. 15 minutes later, we're moving now. 15 minutes, and this train doesn't have any first class, doesn't have any baggage holder in top, and look how much space is in the middle. The space is very little, the seats are very dirty and it's washing. It's moving now finally, thank goodness, after 15 minutes. That's the train from Melbourne to, Southern Cross to Shepparton train. It's noisy as. Listen to that! Oh my god! Oh no! It sounded like we're in a boat. Oh no. It's very noisy. It's so scary. Can you hear that? Let's see how it sounds when it goes really fast. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't want to die. Listen to it. It feels like the back carriage is coming off. Hope not. Now we have stopped in a stopover, but the door didn't open. And the driver's trying to open it, but it didn't open. And passengers are waiting. Oops, it's moving now. It's moving again. I wonder if it's gonna open or what. Really nice. Where's Dampus?
Now stop at Wallen, Bongong, Kilmore East, Broadford, Seymour and all stations through to Shepparton. If you're travelling through to Murchison, Contura, Merrigum, Kyabram, Tongala, Echuca, Ormoma, the road coach connection to the Murchison East station. And this coach will be waiting your arrival at the train. Also anyone travelling through to Yamurka, Strathmerton, Copram, Yarrawea or Tokahall, your road coach connection to the Shepparton station. This coach will be also waiting for the arrival of the train. Just a reminder, all customers walking through these type of carriages while the train's in motion is strictly prohibited. If you wish to change into a different carriage, please only do so when the train's not on the platform.
So guys, tignan nyo yung look at you. It's very noisy. So noisy. And it's very wobbly. Ito yung video ka na puntahan. Kuyog ka. I think that's all for today. I'll see you again in the next vlog. Bye!